All right, guys, we're coming back for the second part. So, this factoring problem has a coefficient here in front of the x squared term. So we're going to multiply that 6 times that 2 and get 12. Remember, the only time we do that is when there's a number in front of that x squared term. So I'm going to do 6 times 2 and get 12. And so I need two factors of 12 that will add and give me 7. So 12 times 1 is 12, but 12 plus 1 is not 7. 6 times 2 is 12, but 6 plus 2 is not 7. But 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So I'm going to put a 4 and a 3. Sticking with that theme, I'm putting the big number first. And if there's a plus plus, if I go back to my notes from earlier, a plus plus means a plus plus. And then I'm going to slide this 6 under this 4 and 3. And this one's different because 4 6 is not simplified. 2 will go into 4 and 2 will go into 6. So 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 6 3 times. I'm still ended up with a fraction. So I'm going to take this 3 and slide it over here, and it becomes 3x plus 2. And 3 6 is a fraction. Can be simplified. Top and bottom. 3 will go into both. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 6 twice. So I'm going to take this 2 and slide it over here. And so it becomes 2x plus that 1 right there. So there's my answer. Because when I do 3x times 2x, I get the 6x squared. And when I do the foiling, or the 3x times 1 is 3x, that's 4x. That gives me the 7x. 2 times 1 is 2. So good check on that one. Okay, two terms here. Guess what? No common factor. So that means it's a difference of two squares. So I'm going to put an x plus and an x minus because those signs have to be different because it's a difference. And 36 is the square of 6. And I'm all done. Okay, two terms here, but there is no square. So that means this must be a greatest common factor problem. So 4 will go into both of those. So I'm going to divide by 4 and put my 4 out there. Those 4's cancel, leaving me with x. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So it's 4 parentheses x plus 5.